In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello boards. Whether you're working on an important project or want to ensure you have an archive of your boards, knowing how to back them up is essential. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Trello's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com in the address bar, then hit Enter. This will take you to the Trello homepage where the login process begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to select your login method. Trello offers a few different options, such as logging in with a personal account or through platforms like Google and Microsoft. Choose the option that suits you best by clicking on it and proceed with logging in. Make sure you have your credentials handy if you're using an email and password combination, so you can access your account quickly. After logging in, you'll see your Trello dashboard featuring all your boards. Here, you'll notice the workspaces you belong to. Now, choose the specific workspace you'd like to back up. Clicking on the workspace will reveal all the boards associated with it, making it easy to navigate to the board you wish to back up. Once you see your list of boards, find the specific board you want to back up. There will be an ellipsis, those three little dots, on the board you choose. Clicking on this ellipsis opens a menu with several options. The option we're interested in is labeled More. Hover over it or click on it to reveal further settings. From there, select Print and Export. This is where you'll find the features you need to create a backup of your board. This option is crucial because it provides you with various export formats, allowing you to save the board's data on your local device. Then, within the Print and Export tab, you'll see an option labeled Export as JSON. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy to read and write. Clicking on Export as JSON will initiate the download of your board's data in this format. It's a reliable way to keep your board's information, including all the cards, lists, and details intact. Remember, backing up your boards regularly can prevent potential data loss and allow you to have peace of mind knowing your work is safe. Make it a habit to repeat this process periodically, especially after significant changes or milestones in your projects. That's it for today's tutorial on how to back up your Trello boards. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!